11 runs. Did it look like it will take until the last ball of the innings?
Yeah, but they bowled very well. They didn't give any pace to play shots, and I think we should have take the singles on every ball. So we should have not gone that far, but at least we win the game. That is all.
Winning the toss, how important it is, especially in the morning conditions?
Yeah, definitely it's important because wicket is a little bit of slow and turning the ball. So winning the toss and bowling first, it's a big advantage if you bowl well. So the same thing happened today. Uh, so we win the toss and we bowled, and we bowled very well with the spinners and the pacers as well. So it's easy, bat second and chase it down the low total.
Your role in the middle over is very important for Karnali, and you've been bowling with 16-year-old spinner. How is the partnership going on, and what is the talk in between you two?
Yeah, definitely we bowl as a pair. It's good, bowl with him. He has a lot of quality in him, so definitely he will perform. He can perform much better for Kanalia, and bowling with him is quite excited. So we just want to bowl proper and don't want to give any loose balls or boundaries. We just want to bowl tight and less runs given.
The first two games, the result did not go your way. What was the talk in the dressing room before this match? Because you were under pressure. You have big names like Shikhar Dhawan, Baba Kaya, you yourself in Associate Cricket. How much was the pressure ahead of this game?
There's not a pressure, but when you play, you have to win the games. But in the dugout, everybody is backing up each other and playing with the guys, with Shekhar Bhai and Edwidge, Babar, and everybody, like Sompal, everybody in the team. It's honor, and we are very gel. It's very important to win. We should win this game. So definitely we will perform better in the upcoming games.
After two losses in previous matches, how was the dressing room environment in the camp?
It was quite excited because this third game we have to win this game. So every game when we play, we have to win the game to be in the run. So we just have to play a good cricket to win the games.
You could have win this match in the 18th, 17th, 18th over. So what went wrong?
So it's not like we think it happens. So this is a game of cricket. So it's a great level. So it's good. You can see fun and everything is in the cricket. So we cannot predict what is going to happen in the next ball or next over. So yes, we should have won little early, but whatever it is, we won the game. That's all.
So Tanvir made a lot of difference in their bowling.
Yeah, definitely he bowled well because he has a lot of experience. He's played international cricket, so that come to play, and he showed that he has skills and he's worth to play international cricket. You played in this ground a lot of time with Oman, and you didn't have as much support as this. How does it feel to play as home supporter with home crowd on your side in this ground? Yeah, always. It's a great pleasure to be here and play in the ground and with lot of supporters, lot of chairs. So that is all we came here to play, and it's like family here. So they are very loving and they are caring and they are backing up each other. Every ball, every boundary, every wicket. So that's all about them. So whenever we come here, looks like thousands of people. They are watching the game. They are backing up each other. So it's a pleasure to be here and play. So we didn't see you in Oman squad earlier. Can you explain a bit about that? What's the status now? And will we see you again in Oman? Anything else?
Thank you.
Thank you. You have good records in Nepal. You have previously good records in Nepal. What is the next?
Yeah, definitely. It was memorable records here whenever I played for Oman. So, and definitely I try to be strict on that way. And this time I want to perform for Kanali here, this franchise. I want to take this franchise, win the cup. Thank you.